Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to channel for all things clean outside. I'm Kelly, and today we're going to talk about how to clean your outside items. Outdoor season is finally here, and it's the perfect time to give our outdoor spaces a much-needed refresh. From patio furniture to grills, and even those forgotten toys scattered across the lawn, everything outside needs some love. But fear not, cleaning warriors! Today, we're tackling all your outdoor cleaning woes. We'll show you some simple yet effective techniques to get your outside items sparkling clean and ready for all those spring and summer gatherings. But before we dive in, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more cleaning tips, tricks, and hacks. While you're at it, ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now let's get to work. Let's talk safety first. Before we grab our cleaning supplies and charge outside, safety is key. Always wear gloves when dealing with harsh chemicals. Opt for long sleeves and pants if you're using strong cleaners or tackling tasks that might involve dust or debris. Pro tip number 1. For stubborn grime and dirt, consider using a mask to avoid inhaling particles. Safety glasses can also be helpful, especially if you're working with a pressure washer. Outdoor furniture. First up, our beloved patio furniture. Winter can leave these pieces dusty, grimy, and maybe even a little worse for wear. But not to worry. We have solutions for all types of patio furniture materials. Plastic and resin. These are generally low maintenance and can be tackled with some warm, soapy water. Add a splash of vinegar for extra grime busting power. Use a soft bristled brush for stubborn dirt. But avoid harsh scrubbers that can scratch the surface. Pro tip number 2. For a deeper clean, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Apply this solution to moldy or mildew-ridden areas. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then scrub gently and rinse well. Metal. Metal furniture can often fall victim to rust stains. Tackle these with a paste made from baking soda and water. Apply the paste generously to the rusted area, let it sit for 30 minutes, then scrub with a wire brush. Be gentle, rinse thoroughly, and dry completely to prevent further rust. For more intricate metal furniture with nooks and crannies, try using an old toothbrush dipped in the baking soda paste. You can also try a commercial rust remover, but always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Wood. The classic wooden patio set. While beautiful, it requires a little more TLC. Start by sweeping away loose dirt and debris. If your set is looking dull, consider using a wood cleaner specifically designed for outdoor furniture. Pro tip number 3. There's a natural alternative for cleaning wooden furniture. Mix equal parts olive oil and lemon juice. Apply this mixture with a soft cloth, working it into the wood grain. Buff with a clean cloth for a radiant shine. Wicker. Wicker furniture can become dusty and harbor pollen. Use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment to reach into all the nooks and crannies. For a deeper clean, mix 1/4 cup of dish soap with a gallon of warm water. Dip a soft cloth in the solution, wring it out thoroughly, and wipe down the wicker. Pro tip number 4. To combat stubborn dirt lodged between the wicker weaves, try an old toothbrush dipped in your soapy solution. Rinse the wicker thoroughly and allow it to dry completely in the sun. Grills and smokers. All right, let's move on to the heart and soul of any backyard barbecue. The grill! Now, cleaning a grill after a long winter can seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, it's actually quite manageable. Grill grates. Once the grill cools down completely, remove the grates and preheat the grill on high for about 10 minutes. This will help burn off any leftover food particles. Now grab a grill brush, make sure it's the right kind for your grill material, and scrub those grates clean. Pro tip number 5. For extra stubborn grime, soak the grates in a warm, soapy solution for 30 minutes before scrubbing. You can even add a sprinkle of baking soda for extra cleaning power. Grill interior. While the grates are soaking, use a damp cloth with warm, soapy water to wipe down the inside of the grill. Don't forget to clean the grease trap and drip pan according to your grill's cleaning instructions. Give the outside a good wipe down with warm, soapy water. Wipe it dry with a clean cloth and admire the shine. Outdoor toys. Now that the patio furniture and grill are sparkling clean, let's not forget about the toys. From swing sets to plastic cars, those forgotten outdoor playthings can become a breeding ground for dirt and germs. But don't worry. Here's how to get them hygienically clean and ready for another season of fun. Plastic toys. These are generally easy to clean. Fill a tub with warm, soapy water and dunk the toys in. Let them soak for 15 minutes, then scrub with a soft brush to remove any grime. Rinse thoroughly and allow them to air dry completely in the sun. Pro tip number 6. For toys with intricate details or nooks and crannies, use an old toothbrush dipped in the soapy solution to reach into those hard-to-reach areas. Metal toys. Similar to metal patio furniture, you might encounter some rust on metal toys. Tackle this with a solution of white vinegar and water, equal parts. Soak the rusty parts of the toy for 30 minutes, then scrub gently with a wire brush and rinse thoroughly. Dry completely to prevent further rusting. Wooden toys. Wooden toys require a bit more care. If they're looking grimy, wipe them down with a damp cloth and a gentle wood cleaner. Let them air dry completely before letting the kids play with them again. Pro tip number 7. Here's a natural cleaning solution for wooden toys. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist the toy with the solution, wipe clean with a damp cloth, and allow it to air dry completely. Cleaning up the yard. Now that the bigger items are clean, let's tackle the yard itself. Here are some tips for getting your outdoor space spick and span. Sweeping. Start by sweeping away any leaves, twigs, or debris that has accumulated over winter. Use a broom or leaf blower to clear walkways, patios, and around garden beds. Raking. For fallen leaves or a thick layer of dead grass, a rake will be your best friend. Rake the leaves into piles and bag them for disposal, or use them for composting if suitable. Washing. For sidewalks, driveways, or even patio furniture that could use a more powerful clean, consider using a pressure washer. However, be sure to use the appropriate pressure setting for the surface you're cleaning to avoid damaging it. Pro tip number 8. When pressure washing, always start from the top and work your way down to avoid splashing dirty water onto already cleaned areas. Gardening. Spring is the perfect time to spruce up your flower beds and gardens. Pull out any dead plants or weeds and add fresh mulch or topsoil where needed. Cleaning specific outdoor surfaces. Now, patio furniture might be the most common outdoor item, but there are plenty of other surfaces that need some TLC come springtime. Let's take a look at some additional cleaning challenges you might encounter. Decks and fences. These wooden structures can become weathered and grimy over time. To clean them effectively, start by sweeping away any loose debris. Then, mix a solution of 1 part deck cleaner with 4 parts water. Follow the manufacturer's instructions. Apply this solution to the deck or fence with a garden sprayer or pump sprayer. Let it sit for the recommended time, then scrub with a stiff, bristled brush and rinse thoroughly. Pro tip number 9. Be sure to choose a deck cleaner specifically formulated for your type of wood, whether it's treated or untreated. Pergolas and gazebos. These outdoor structures can add a touch of elegance to any backyard. However, they can also accumulate dust, pollen, and even cobwebs. Use a ladder and a long-handled duster to reach all the nooks and crannies. For a more thorough cleaning, you can mix a solution of warm, soapy water and fill a spray bottle. Lightly mist the structure, then wipe clean with a damp cloth. Pro tip number 10. For stubborn grime on pergolas or gazebos, consider using a pressure washer with a low-pressure setting. Outdoor cushions. These can become faded or stained over time. Before tackling any cleaning, check the care label on your cushions. Some cushions may be machine washable, while others might require spot cleaning. If they're machine washable, follow the care instructions and air dry them completely before putting them back on your furniture. Pro tip number 11. For spot cleaning outdoor cushions, mix a solution of equal parts water and white vinegar. Dip a clean cloth in the solution, wring it out thoroughly, and blot the stained cushion gently. Rinse the area with clean water and allow the cushion to air dry completely. Eco-friendly cleaning options. We all know that harsh chemicals can be effective cleaners, but they can also be harmful to the environment. Luckily, there are plenty of natural cleaning solutions that are just as effective for your outdoor items. Vinegar. This versatile cleaning agent is a powerhouse for tackling dirt, grime, and even mildew. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle for a general all-purpose cleaner. You can use this solution on a variety of outdoor surfaces, including patio furniture, grills, and even decks with proper dilution. Baking soda. This natural deodorizer and abrasive is another great option for outdoor cleaning. Sprinkle baking soda on greasy grill grates. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then scrub with a grill brush for an easier clean. Baking soda can also be used to remove light mildew stains by creating a paste with water and applying it directly to the affected area. Lemon juice. This natural disinfectant and bleaching agent can be used to brighten up outdoor surfaces and remove light stains. Mix equal parts lemon juice and water in a spray bottle and use it on plastic toys, patio furniture, or even outdoor cushions, but check for color fastness first. Common cleaning challenges. Now, even with all the cleaning tips in the world, sometimes you might encounter some stubborn outdoor cleaning challenges. Let's tackle a few common ones. Mold and mildew. These unsightly growths can thrive in damp and shaded areas. To remove mold and mildew, mix 1 part bleach with 4 parts water in a well-ventilated area. Wear gloves and a mask for safety. Apply the solution to the affected area using a spray bottle or sponge. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then scrub gently and rinse thoroughly. Remember, bleach can damage certain materials, so always test it on an inconspicuous area first. Bird droppings. These can be a real nuisance on outdoor furniture and patios. The key to tackling bird droppings is to act fast. Fresh droppings are easier to remove than dried and baked on ones. Here's how to handle them. For fresh droppings, if you catch them early, simply scrape off the excess with a dull knife or spoon. Be careful not to spread the droppings further. Then, mix a solution of dish soap and warm water. Dip a clean cloth in the solution, wring it out thoroughly, and wipe down the affected area. Rinse with clean water, and allow to air dry completely. For dried droppings. Dried bird droppings can be a bit trickier. First, try loosening them up with a little warm water. You can also use a baking soda paste to gently scrub the area. Once the droppings are loosened, follow the same cleaning steps as for fresh droppings. We want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to clean your outdoor items? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Pro tip number 12. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbers on bird droppings, as these can damage the underlying surface. Rust stains. These reddish-brown stains can appear on metal furniture, grills, and even swing sets. To tackle rust, you have a couple of options. Natural approach. Mix lemon juice with baking soda to create a paste. Apply the paste to the rust stain and let it sit for 30 minutes. Scrub gently with a wire brush, be gentle on delicate surfaces, and rinse thoroughly. Commercial approach. There are many commercially available rust removers. Choose one that's safe for the specific metal you're cleaning, and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Take a moment and look at the amazing results. Your outdoor space is now ready to be enjoyed throughout the spring and summer months. Remember, A little cleaning goes a long way in keeping your outdoor items looking their best and lasting for years to come. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you all in the next episode.